Hey guys, my name is Obadiah Thomas and I'm with Razzle Bam Boom. We do school assemblies. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We want to talk to you about 2019. Right now it is New Year's morning. The wind is blowing, it's cold and chilly in Los Angeles. I had a great New Year's Eve gig. I hope you did too. I hope you had a great Christmas season. I hope all the gigs came in for you. But what is 2019 looking for you right now? If you looked at your date book right now, how many gigs are on there, huh? Is it a good year coming up, or do you need more? I want to help you out. We want to help you out get into the school assembly market. Now, a couple types of performers. Well, first of all, let me tell you who we are. We're Razzle Bam Boom, Mark Beckwith and myself. Our company performs at over 375 different schools every year because we got a team of people that are going out and doing it. And I personally have been at 183 schools last school year and 187 the year before. We know school assembly market inside and out, and we want to help you. Now, there's a couple types of performers out there. There's the type who are already doing some school assemblies and the type that have never done school assemblies at all. Now, if you have done school assemblies and want to do more, click this button here. We want to help you get more gigs, charge more money, and get more repeat customers and make it the whole process easier. If you've never done school assemblies and you're thinking about doing that, click this button here and find out about that. Our program has something for everybody, has something for